Hey everyone, and welcome to our What's New video for SAP Mobile Start version 2.5. Before we dive into the individual new features and demos, let me give you a quick overview of the enhancements in release 2.5. We are adding several exciting updates to SAP Mobile Start. We have added support for Apple Liquid Glass to the app by matching the latest design principles introduced by Apple. Just one example. With Apple Liquid Glass activated in iOS 26, the navigation bar now has a translucent glass background and reacts dynamically on underlying content switching to a light or a dark mode variant automatically. To ensure an optimal customer experience with Apple Liquid Glass, custom theming options have also been updated. Also, several updates have been made for the to-dos displayed inside SAP Mobile Start to view and filter them more efficiently. Empty pages, which contain no mobile-enabled content, will not be displayed anymore to allow the user to focus on mobile-relevant content. So, let's jump in and explore each of these features in more detail. Apple Liquid Glass introduces a flexible dynamic layer to SAP Mobile Start. The new digital metamaterial bends and shapes light, behaving organically like a liquid. Apple Liquid Glass creates a transparent and lightweight appearance of SAP Mobile Start. Most notable is the new look and feel when observing the appearance of the navigation bar while taping the buttons Start, Apps, and To-Dos. While scrolling the content like the news or to-dos, the content gets dissolved into the background and the navigation bar minimizes. Apple implements no background customization for navigation components anymore and recommends moving branding into the content. This has consequences for the creation of custom themes for SAP Mobile Start when you want to represent your corporate branding. The following changes are important when you create custom themes in SAP UI Theme Designer. The option to personalize and brand the header's appearance has been removed to ensure full compatibility with Apple Liquid Glass and Android Material 3 design. To avoid further low-contrast situations in the navigation bar, customers need to make sure that the company logo and header text color creates sufficient contrast with the screen's background color. A new filter called Group is now part of the To-Do screen filters, which allows the user to filter by semantic groups. The Group filter reuses the configured filter tabs in the SAP Task Center web application and allows the users to filter by the same semantic groups. So you can, for example, filter for SAP Ariba, SAP S/4HANA, or have a group procurement, which combines tasks from multiple source systems. A new list view provides the user with a better overview for the to-dos in case there are many to-dos displayed. To improve the user experience, we have decided not to display empty pages in SAP Mobile Start anymore. These are pages and spaces without any mobile-enabled apps. If a space has multiple pages, only those pages containing mobile-enabled apps will appear. Empty pages with no mobile-enabled apps will also not be visible in the navigation anymore. For more information on our latest releases, please have a look at our SAP Mobile Start community page that provides detailed release blogs and other useful information like the link to our roadmap. Thank you and goodbye.